What's going on, everybody? Barrett here, back again with Spec Tech. Welcome to my channel. Today I got a little unboxing for you of some items that my wife got me for Valentine's Day, so I figure why not make a quick video for you guys and show you what she bought me. But before we open that up and show you, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell icon so you can be notified when my next video drops. As you can see, I'm back home shooting in my regular environment here, back in my house. I flew back to Calgary just the other day. Here's a little montage of the flight back. Alright guys, so today we're going to unbox this Amazon box right here. So this is some items that my wifey got me for Valentine's Day. I believe most of it's for my channel, so some videography stuff. Let's get into it here. Just cut this open. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, there's one thing already wanting to fall out, so we might as well pull that out right away. So this, guys, is a camera, I guess kind of a backpack slash camera bag. So I did buy a Panasonic camera for shooting my videos, but I had nothing to put it in other than the original box. So my wife was awesome enough to get me this little bag here so that I can store my camera. Looks like it should have plenty of room because I do have some extra batteries and whatnot. Yeah, you just put everything in there. I have a couple lenses, so I can put my lenses in there. The camera goes here. Put some batteries up here. Very cool, guys. Perfect for what I need. All right, and this is Caden, I guess would how you be pronounce that. C-A-D-E-N. Very neat little bag. Put that aside. What else do we got here? Oh, and this is actually something I ordered, but I guess it came in the same package. It's just a screen protector for my phone and a case for my phone. I guess I can show you guys that. It's a Rinky screen protectors and unicorn beetle case for my LG G8. Shout out to LG G8, the only phone with a quad DAC. So for those of you that like audio, that should be your phone. All right, so the next thing I got here is lapel mic or lavel mic, Lavelle mic. I don't know how you pronounce that. English is only my first language and all. Anyway, so something to help improve my audio for my video, since right now I'm using a shotgun mic and it's kind of far away. I'm sure you guys can still hear me, but this should help get some clearer audio. And I think this is the last thing here, other than some airbags that my kids can pop later. So this is a oh, and this mic, sorry guys, it's a Cinco, is the name brand of that mic. And this is a RGB light. So you know how YouTubers always have that colorful light in their background, and I haven't had that up until this point, so I thought it'd be a cool addition for my videos to have some color in the background. And yeah, Yang CSL is the name brand. And it comes with a little remote, so you can change the colors, you can control the brightness, and it's a 15 watt, which equals 90 watts on your standard fluorescent bulb. All right, so that's it. That's all I got from Amazon, guys. It's perfect for what I need. So like I said before, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell icon so you can be notified when my next video drops. My next video is going to be an unboxing of an iPad Pro 12.9, the 3rd generation, and it's a 256 gigabyte model. So I'll do an unboxing and first impressions of that, and then of course I'll do a review later on. And let me know down in the comments below if you guys want to see any review of these items, the microphone or the light or the backpack or the camera bag. Stay techie.